aim to synthesize para-bromoacetaldehyde from acetaldehyde. ठीक है. Reaction. In that reaction, acetaldehyde. This is the structure of acetaldehyde. Benzene ring NH CO C double bond O CH2. This acetaldehyde is react with Br2 bromine in presence of glacial acetic acid. It gives para-bromoacetaldehyde. Only para-position bromine atom is attached here and formation of here para-bromoacetaldehyde. This is general reaction of para-bromoacetaldehyde. ठीक है. Acetaldehyde react with Br2 in presence of glacial acetic acid. It gives para-bromoacetaldehyde. The next one is the mechanism. It is a three-step mechanism. Step 1 formation, here is generation of electrophile. Step 2 attack of electrophile, and next one is the step 3 loss of proton. In that step first generation of electrophile, here is the formation of electrophile means Br plus ion, and this one is the nucleophile. ठीक है. In that reaction Br2 is react with acetic acid. In this Br2 is react with glacial acetic acid CH3COOH. It gives electrophile Br plus nucleophile CH3COO minus plus HBr. Okay. This Br, one bromine atom Br plus, then next one is a one Br is attached here HBr. Acetic acid मधला एक हाइड्रोजन atom आहे इथला Br, it gives HBr, and next one is a CH3COO minus. This is a step 1. In that step 1 formation of electrophile Br plus and CH3COO minus. Then next one is a step 2 attack of electrophile. Attack of electrophile means this Br plus ion attack to acetaldehyde. This is the structure of acetaldehyde. Benzene ring NHCOCH3. It react with Br plus. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतात attack of electrophile. This acetaldehyde is react with Br plus and it gives this product means benzene ring NHCOCH3, and this Br plus atom attached here para position, and then one hydrogen bond is replaced here means HBr. ठीक है. And here is the formation of carbocation. Here is the formation of carbocation. Then next step 3 loss of proton. Loss of proton. This product means NHCOCH3 HBr plus it react with nucleophile this CH3COO minus. In that reaction loss of proton, removal of H plus ion. This H plus ion is removed and this bond is shifted here means here is the formation of double bond means here is the formation of benzene ring. Okay. Here is the loss of proton, this H plus ion is removed and this bond is shifted here means here is the formation of this bond and bromine atom. Then next here is the formation of para-bromoacetaldehyde NHCOCH3 and Br para position la bromine, and this hydrogen atom is react with CH3COO minus means here is the formation of acetic acid CH3COOH. Okay. This is the mechanism of para-bromoacetaldehyde. The next one is the theoretical yield. 1 mole of acetaldehyde is equivalent to 1 mole of para-bromoacetaldehyde. Okay. Then molecular weight of acetaldehyde 135.17 gram of acetaldehyde is equivalent to molecular weight of para-bromoacetaldehyde 214.6 gram of para-bromoacetaldehyde. Then in your procedure 7 gram of acetaldehyde is equal to X. Then cross multiplication and X is equal to theoretical yield. This is a theoretical yield of para-bromoacetaldehyde. First point, add 7 gram of acetaldehyde in iodine flask. In that iodine flask 7 gram of acetaldehyde. Then add in another conical flask 2.7 ml of bromine solution in 12.5 ml of glacial acetic acid. Then these two solution transfer into solution of burette and then slowly add into this iodine flask. In that solution add 2.7 ml of bromine solution and 12.5 ml of glacial acetic acid, and this solution is added in fuming hood because of bromine is added, and this reaction is called the bromination reaction. Okay. Br2 is added in this reaction. Slowly 2.7 ml of bromine and glacial acetic acid solution. When all bromine solution has been added, the solution will have orange color. Okay? Orange color due to the slight excess of bromine. A part of reaction product may crystallize out. Then allow the final reaction mixture to stand at room temperature for 15 minutes with occasionally shaking. Okay. Then pour the reaction product into the 200 ml of water. Then this reaction product added into 200 ml of water. Rinse the flask with about 50 ml of water. Then add water. Stir the mixture well, and if it is appreciably color, adjust the sufficient sodium bisulfite solution. Okay, but in that solution no orange color is observed. Okay, that's why here is no addition of sodium bisulfite solution. Okay, then product. Okay, this is the product of parabromoacetanilide. Then dry this product of parabromoacetanilide in oven. Then take a melting point of this product. Okay, then reference melting point of this product is 167 to 169 degrees Celsius.